how pretty their Christmas tree is.
Look how scary that thing is.
Go stand next to it. Why, are you afraid of it?
Is it fake?
Yes, it's fake. I'll stand next to it. Hello, buds! Emily here with Sailing from Scratch. If you're new here, I hope you subscribe and stick around for a while. And if you're already a subscriber, welcome back! Welcome to the PAZ! Here we are docked in Marina Cortez. We woke up really early this morning. Well, okay, I shouldn't say we because it was just mom and dad, but they told us to sleep in. So they said they could do it all on their own and told us to sleep in. Anyway, we were all really looking forward to being in La Paz because we had guests coming aboard and Christmas and New Year's to look forward to. So Dad went over to the store. I don't know what store that is.
It's like
fish
the
store.
Fish supply store. He's looking for
The
a
fish
sump
supply store. He's looking for a sump for the boat. Over there. We're doing some grocery shopping. Follow me around the grocery store. Dad, let's dye your hair.
Oh my gosh. Can we dye it red?
That one looks like your color.
Oh no, Dad wants to.
Dad wants to go blonde.
Okay.
Look, Powerpuff Girls.
Alright, we haven't been in the store in a long time, I guess.
Wow, look at all those water bottles. What a selection. There are so many choices. Look at all those tin pans. Bah!
Oh yeah.
What's up with these weird spoons?
Oh, we're supposed to look for Christmas wrap.
Oh, I guess they're ice cream scoops? It's so small. Gelato? It's like Vaughn's in here.
Frozen cookies.
Those are cookies?
You'll never again.
Cookies, not crackers. I've been duped. I believe our grocery trip was fairly successful. We're filling our backpacks so we can take it back to the boat. Thus concludes our afternoon on the town. We're on our way to go meet Caitlin.
She's coming from the airport. She's in a taxi.
She's in a taxi right now, coming from the airport. And where are we meeting her at?
We're gonna meet her up front here at the front of the marina. And then we're gonna celebrate Christmas. Somebody's excited.
It's me. And now, we wait. After everybody got their hugs from Caitlin, excluding the taxi driver, we sent Hannah and Dad off to go get our Christmas chicken, and then the festivities began.
Did you not eat?
No, and all you ate was a Kinder Surprise egg, so don't even act like I'm ridiculous.
Did you not eat? I had breakfast. It was an egg.
You had an egg?
Yeah, she had a chocolate
It
egg.
may or may not have been made of chocolate. You will never know.
Breakfast of champs.
After grabbing a quick breakfast, which wasn't really quick at all, we set off to do some sightseeing, walking up and down the streets of La Paz. I don't know where we're going.
So I some shops.
But you know, the view's not bad while we walk. nice?
Yeah.
Huh? Huh, Anya? Isn't that nice?
Yeah. It's nice.
So nice.
So nice.
They're walking like 5 years ahead of us. Just kidding, guys. This bridge is a little rickety. But it is okay.
It's okay.
I am not afraid. Ah. That was harmony.
Yeah.
That was harmony.
It's good.
You're so good. So good. Christmas land, Christmas land. We've happened upon Christmas land. Navidad 2017.
It's right down there.
It's right there, guys.
Because of the wonderful things she does. What?
And then after we get laundry, we're gonna go to the movies.
Movies.
And what are we gonna go see, guys? We're gonna see
The Last Jedi.
The Last Jedi.
Star Wars. Of Star Wars.
And it's gonna be a good time.
Ew, dead fish.
Dead fish. Look at his eyeballs are poking out.
He loves it.
That's disgusting. Going to the movie.
Yeah, yeah.
Huh?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, we are.
You're right.
Woo.
You're really right.
Say woo woo. Woo woo. It's empty. Okay, where are we?
Where are our seats?
Oh, we're right here.
Yeah, you guys
What did you think of The Last Jedi?
It was really good and really long.
It was really
Food was
long.
really delicious, actually.
I'm so sleepy now.
Those nachos were good.
Zoe, what did you think of The Last Jedi?
Cool.
It was cool.
She kept going, is this a good guy or is this a bad guy? So then
I kept going, is this a good guy?
So
or
then
is
I
this a
just
bad
started
guy?
going, that's a bad guy. That's a good guy. That's a bad guy that wants to be a good guy. And that's a good guy that wants
But
to
did
be a
he
bad
want
guy.
to be a good guy?
And then at one point I was like, that good guy wants her to be a bad guy. And that good bad guy wants
I was like
him to be a
really
good guy.
confused. Everybody kept disappearing and I was like, where are they all going? So, yeah. Now we're grocery shopping. Think of The Last Jedi. It's pretty good. Is that your final review?
Long in some parts.
Yeah, I agree.
Kind
So-
of drug on a little bit.
Zoe
Yes.
got it drug on too. Real milk?
What did you think of The Last Jedi, Anya?
It was alright.
It was all right?
Yeah. Like, there were some parts I was like, oh man, that's cool. And then there's some parts I was like, oh man, I totally saw that coming. And I was like, ah.
The severed body, I was really not feeling it.
My favorite part?
When they
I think
cut him in half?
I think that terrified Zoe a tiny bit.
Well, at least it wasn't like bloody. Well, I
it was
guess his saber like cauterizes it.
Cauterize his body.
It's like, wham!
But I think they should have had a bigger battle scene than that.
Yeah,
I think so too. That was so simple.
My 3 favorite parts is when, like, Ray was in that weird, like...
Hannah's 3 favorite parts.
Yeah, listen. When she, like, touched the mirror and then all the rays were behind her, she's like, click, click, click.
Click, click, click.
Yeah, the snapping was all, ooh. And then I liked it when Ray and Kylo
Ren.
Yeah, Kylo Ren. They were like, oh, let's fight together for this like hot minute, and they were like, ooh, slow motion, and I was like, like that. That was a good one.
Okay, that was 2.
And then the last one is when the red salt stuff was like on that fighting thing. It's like red salt stuff.
All right. We out here trying to find a taxi that'll fit all of us and
all
our
their
groceries. If we can't find a taxi, we'll just strap this cart to Hannah's back
What's a dad?
and we'll make her carry it home.
That's right.
I wonder if they're.
Oh, I'm not looking forward to that.
He's right there.
But if
Whipper.
it's something we...
Onward! Well, eventually we got a taxi and Hannah didn't have to pull the cart all the way back for us. And what do you know, the next day was New Year's Eve.
We're trying to figure out how to play killer snails here.
And as soon as the clock struck midnight, we all said Happy New Year's, and by about, I don't know, 12:15, we were all in bed.
say hi.
Say hi. Get a burger.
She's hangry. Yeah, true. True story.
Where are we?
We're at Bandido.
Oh, it's over there. Look, there's the sign.
Bandido.
Our second to last night, we decided to go out and try some burgers here at this restaurant, which ended up being fantastic.
I got the hula burger with jalapeno jack cheese.
Nice. What'd you get, Dad?
Got that.
Oh, wow.
That's what it's called.
Hula burgers for Zoe and I. What about you, Hannah?
I got the same hula burger.
Good flavor.
Yeah, girl.
Not
It's not bad.
Not as hot as that one.
No, it's not as hot as that one in the movie theater. It's really good.
Give me one.
Almond?
Oh, Hannah's gonna get in on the action.
I want to get on the video game.
Come on.
Pass the peños. Why did I say that?
Yeah, what's this mysterious red?
Just eat it.
Eat it.
It's not bad. Like, I'm not even joking this time. Yeah, what is this?
How was dinner, Dad?
Dinner was delicious.
Good. Yeah, Caitlin.
5-star Yelp review.
Bye. Hannah, how was your burger?
It was delish and a half.
And your fries?
Yum. Delish and a half.
It's hard to find good burger and fries.
It's so true.
But we found them. It's dark. We're walking down the dark alley.
What is a chicken's least favorite day of the week?
What?
What's a chicken's least favorite day of the week?
Friday.
Aw, yeah.
It is?
Yeah.
Oh, why?
Friday, like chicken, fried chicken, fried chicken.
Oh, fried chicken. Friday. Oh, I get it.
I'm not very good at telling
a really
jokes.
good joke.
Sorry.
Hey, Em. So what's happening today?
We're going to the airport to pick up Chris. We're gonna go pick up our rental car and drive to the Pacific side over to Cabo San Lucas and pick up Christopher at the airport.
As always, thanks for watching. If you liked this video, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you next time on Sailing from Scratch.
You're beautiful.
Ready to rock. Huh, Caitlin? Are you ready to rock?
Do you want to say good morning?
Yeah, can I say good morning
Go ahead.
this time? All right, 1, 2, 3. Good morning, guys. This is
That was really
somebody else.
loud.
Yeah, I'm leaving.